Never ignore these signs and symptoms in your body. Our bodies are incredible, but they also have their ways of communicating with us when something isn't quite right. So, whether it's a subtle hint or a loud alarm bell, paying attention to these signals is absolutely crucial. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. Unexplained weight loss. Our first sign might seem like a welcome change for some, but it's not to be ignored. Sudden and unexplained weight loss can be a red flag, signaling underlying issues like thyroid problems, diabetes, or cancer. If you're shedding pounds without trying, it's time to consult a medical professional. Next up, we have persistent fatigue. Feeling tired after a long day is one thing, but if you find yourself constantly drained, even after ample rest, it could be your body's way of telling you something is off. Conditions like anemia, sleep apnea, or even depression might be at play. Number 3. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is another symptom you should never brush off. While it could be due to something as simple as a respiratory infection, it could also indicate heart problems, lung issues, or even panic disorders. It's better to err on the side of caution and consult a doctor. Now, let's talk about pain. Chronic pain should not be ignored, whether in your abdomen, head, joints, or anywhere else. It could be a sign of inflammation, nerve problems, or even a serious condition like arthritis or migraines. Number 5. Drastic changes in skin. Our skin can reveal a lot about our health. Any drastic changes, such as sudden moles, unusual rashes, or changes in color, should be taken seriously. Skin issues can often be an early indicator of various health concerns, including skin cancer. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. Number 6. Digestive Irregularities. Moving on to our digestive system, persistent digestive irregularities like sudden changes in bowel habits, unexplained blood and stool, or constant bloating could signify conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, or even colorectal cancer. Number 7. Cognitive changes. Cognitive changes, such as memory loss, confusion, or sudden mood swings, might not just be a natural part of aging. These can also be linked to neurological problems like Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia. Let's talk about frequent urination. While it's common to visit the restroom often, a sudden increase in frequency could be a sign of underlying issues such as urinary tract infections, diabetes, or even prostate problems in men. Pay attention to any changes in your urinary habits. Number 9. Vision changes. Our eyes are windows to our overall health. If you notice sudden vision changes like blurriness, double vision, or even loss of peripheral vision, it's important not to ignore these signs. They could indicate conditions like diabetes, glaucoma, or even retinal detachment. Number 10. Persistent cough. A persistent cough that lingers for weeks could mean more than just a cold or allergies. It might be a sign of respiratory infections, asthma, gastroesophageal reflux disease, or even lung conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Don't ignore it. Number 11. Swelling and edema. Swelling in your legs, ankles, or other parts of your body, known as edema, should raise concern, especially if it's sudden and unexplained. It could be linked to heart problems, kidney issues, or even circulation disorders. Number 12. Changes in hair and nails. Have you noticed significant changes in your hair or nails? Brittle nails, thinning hair, or even hair loss might be an indication of nutritional deficiencies, thyroid problems, or autoimmune disorders that warrant attention. Number 13. Chest pain or discomfort. Of course, we can't forget about chest pain or discomfort. While chest pain can have various causes, including muscle strains, it can also be a symptom of heart problems like angina or a heart attack. Any chest pain that is severe, radiates to the arms, neck, or jaw, or is accompanied by shortness of breath, should never be ignored. Remember, your body has an incredible way of sending you signals when something isn't right. Ignoring these signs and symptoms could potentially lead to more serious health issues down the road. If you're experiencing any of these indicators, it's always a smart move to consult a healthcare professional. Knowledge is power, and by staying informed, you're taking a crucial step toward maintaining your well-being. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. Stay vigilant, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.